السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Alhamdulillah. Hey everyone. I would like to tell something for achieving a successful life and some tips forward you to achieve goals. First of all, our lives are frames. Some are formal and other are informal. We can achieve a goal, but we cannot, and we think that we choose the comfortable choices. We cannot able to grow as better than we think. Hey, please careful. Please listen carefully. Okay? Inshallah, I will tell you a small story about a grandfather and grandson. Once a grandson visited his grandfather in his summer vacation, and he will play with his grandfather. The boy asked to the grandfather that, "Grandpa, can you give some tips for achieving a goals, and I want to become a successful man?" Grandpa asked the boy and took him to a nearby nursery. And the grandpa bought two types of plants. One type of plant inside a pot inside the house, and other one planted outside the house. And the grandpa said to the grandson, which one of the plant is more better and more grow stronger and higher than higher? Can you say, everybody, which plant? The plant inside or outside? Hey, please listen. I asked a question that which plant is more greater or more stronger than between small plant or the plant the plant that planted outside? Which plant? Yes. And the 5 years back, the grandson met his grandfather, and he said the same question asked to his grandfather. Then the grandpa tell us, "My boy, please come with me." And the grandpa took the boy and they in front of the plants that planted at last time. They were so a great thing that the plant that planted inside the house is in same position. They had grow more better or not grown than that's the last time he see. And then the plant planted outside is very stronger and very higher than that he think. The grandson said to the grandfather, "Why is impossible? How is impossible?" The grandpa said that the plant that planted outside has so much of difficulties like storms, strong rains, and animals, natural calamities. But that plant that plant grow in all the time. But the small plant is weak, and they cannot accept, and they cannot able to take a strong or a rain or other calamities. In this story, we have to learn that we can achieve goals not without difficulties. Difficulties, when you are choosing difficulties, you could able to, unless you go to think difficulties, you too will not be able to achieve goals and are successful in your life. You will make comfortable choice, then you will not be able to grow as you can. As you can. Inshallah. Therefore, never think no problems as hurdle. If you're ready to struggle and go through difficulties, then no goal is impossible for you to achieve. Hey everybody, I conclude this talk with some tips for achieving goals and win the life and wanna become a successful man. First of all, set clear and empowering goals. Set clear and empowering goals. The second one, consistently stretch your comfort. And third one, generate plenty of bad ideas. Generate plenty of bad ideas. And the fourth one, make mistake and learn from them. This is the most important one. Make mistakes and learn from them. And fifth one, work smarter and harder than yesterday. Work harder and stronger than yesterday. And the final one, give back to others. Give back to others. Give back to others. Which will create our life a beautiful innovation and beautiful life. We have to found that last one. Give back to others. Inshallah, I conclude my words. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.